Okay, I'm donating 3 items, 2 bags from Tory Burch, and 1 stiletto, also from Tory Burch. Tory Burch is super in nowadays because she gets it on Gossip Girl, so I'm sure malalove nyo talaga yung mga items na to. Yung isa is a beach bag. I've worn it a few times sa beach lang. Maingat ako sa mga gamit, kaya walang gasgas. Lagi siyang nakabalot, and naka-lock pa yan. Meron siyang sariling cabinet sa bahay ko. So, pag binili nyo yan, siguradong may enjoy nyo. And of course, malapit na mag-summer, and malapit na mag-spring, so you can use that anywhere, especially for the moms out there na you can put everything in it, you know, makeup, phone, and pagkain. Talagang very practical siya. Okay, yung isa naman, hindi ko pa nagagamit. Brand new siya. Talagang may plastic pa yung mga chains, and may presyo pa yata nandyan. So, napakaganda niya. You can use it anywhere. It's like a party bag. Kung may parties kayo, or kung may events kayo, or just going out shopping during the day, talagang, I think it's a must-have. Yung isa naman, shoes. Siyempre, heels yan. So, it's like 4 inches. And once ko palang nagamit yan, sa Rupan Island yata. So, maingat din ako sa shoes. So, hindi siya, mabangong-mabango siya. Wala siyang amoy. And for sure, yun, pag sinot nyo yan, magiging kasing tangkad ko. Yung size ng pa ko nga pala, medyo malaki ha. Medyo, size 10! So, dapat medyo matangkad kayo ng konti, or you can put tissue, or maglagay kayo ng something para, pero size 10 ako. So, sa mga malalaking paa dyan, hindi na kayo ng Tory Burch.